Okay, well, I'm back again. I've attached the battery, the windshield washer bag, the other things into the engine compartment on the inner fenders. I got the engine in, the radiator on, the hoses and so on. The wheels on, but I've tried 3 or 4 times to get the body on. I'm starting to knock things off. Wheels are starting to come off. There's two little tabs here in the back, so if you press the back end over the, spread the back fenders here over the chassis, push these two little tabs through the holes, and then lower it down, and everything was going fine till I got to the front here, and it appears that the inside door panels here have to go on the outside of the body shell here. They don't go underneath or in. They have to come out and inside there. When I press this down, I can get one side on, but the other side is underneath. It's almost the whole width of the door panel, too narrow. The body's too narrow, so I've been shaving it back and shaving it back here on the edges. I'm going to have to shave off some more because it's just not fitting. The interior tub is too wide by about 1/8 of an inch, and I've been shaving a little bit off the top of the door panel and a little bit off of the body shell here, and just hoping for the best. I'm going to keep trying. Everything else fit quite well. Some things are a little tricky, but just till I got to there, and then it just didn't fit. You can sort of see here the door panel there goes against that side, and the other side is right underneath. It has to come out. They have to be touching up on the inside. Anyway, I'm going to keep whittling away at it here and hope I can get it to work. Another quick update here. I was able to get the windshield on and the side vent windows. They're separate. Glue those on in place, and the windshield glues underneath the cowling here. And I was able to hook the body into the back of the chassis. There's two tabs. It slides into a slot there. Lowered it down over the chassis and the engine and the interior tub after shaving the sides quite a bit here. I still want to spring up a little bit, so I just put there's 4 glue points. I put glue on those and clamped it overnight. And so I think that's going to hold it now, and just have to put on the front bumper, the rear bumpers on, glue this wheel back on, and then there's some trim here needs to be chromed, and the mirrors and antenna and so forth. There's always seems to be a few more things to do, but it's starting to come along a little better now. Well, I'm back, and I've got the 62 Thunderbird model completed. It did finally go together pretty well once I got the interior tub shaved and the opening in the body shaved to fit the interior tub up inside. I've glued the mirror and the antenna on just with some crazy glue. I've used, as I saw in the previous video, I've used those new chrome markers to put the chrome trim on the side of the car here. And I've done it all in black. This is based on a car that my dad ran a gas station. His mechanic at the time, the young fella, had one of these, and I remember seeing it. I remember it was black. I'm not sure what the interior color was. It might have been black. Anyway, I'm glad I painted it because all black inside and out, because I did have some fit issues, and it was easier to touch up that way. It does look good with the chrome. The bumpers and all went on well. The hood is just sitting on it. There's no hinges on it. I've got a couple of coats of Future brushed onto everything just to shine it all up. Again, the engine and the interior engine compartment is black as well. A few little things, the battery and the washer bag painted up. A few chrome parts on there. Have to be careful I don't knock the mirrors off and the antenna. I think putting Future over it preserves the chrome Molotov chrome pen, or the chrome paint pens from getting smudged. I didn't do much on the bottom, just exhaust and drivetrain. I usually do the back of the wheel brown color there just to show a bit of the rust, just to be a different look. Got this comes with 2 kinds of tail lights. I went with the sort of the pointed ones, or the rocket ones, and just another one. It comes with another set that have like a little chrome trim on them. I have those as well. I was able to touch up the logos here with that pointy tipped 0.7 millimeter chrome marker. The interior is just black, but it looks nice there. I painted the dash and the console just with some silver craft paint. I have another kit, one of these kits in the stash. I'm going to probably wait a little while and do it up as maybe a different color. Just have to, the side mirrors are a little finicky as well. The hood is a little tight because of the future on it. I may have to clean that up a little bit. Dust on it. It does come with the tonneau cover. Everything fit quite well. I think they must have made some improvements over the years, because the previous videos I've seen, they had a lot of fit issues with different things. The tonneau cover didn't fit on quite well. But this one here, one hand, goes on nice and smooth. The hood actually sits on quite well. The tonneau cover lays down low. And I did the top in the black underneath and the white on top. That looks good on there. Get that in place. It fits on nice. Everything fits nice and snug there and lines up well. I don't have license plates for it yet. I might come up with something creative for that. So that's done and ready to go on the shelf in a little case there on the shelf. So it did turn out nice finally, and it was a bit of a challenge at times, but there it is. So thanks for watching. Stay tuned to see what I'll be up next.